Looking for a refreshing drink? I got you, loves. Try this iced matcha that you will surely love it. Benefits of matcha powder: rich in antioxidant, boost immune system, detoxifies the body, gluten-free, vegan-friendly. So tara! Excited na ako! Una, maglagay ka ng half teaspoon ng matcha powder, then 1 tablespoon ng sugar. You can mix it by spoon, pero ako meron akong frother. Just mix it well, mga loves. Kung tatanong nyo naman saan ko nabili yan, sa TikTok shop meron yan. But make sure na matibay yung mabibili nyo. Anyway, wait nyo lang yan mag-bubbles ng konti. Then, pag okay na, you can put some milk. For me, mas okay yung full cream milk. Mas creamy siya. And then, wait nyo lang mag-double yung size ng milk. Uy, double, parang yung bilbil mo. Joke! Then next, put your ice. Mas maraming ice, mas masarap. Promise, after you did this, you will thank me. Binuhos ko na dyan yung milk kanina, and then nilagyan ko ng konting fresh milk. Nasa sa inyo pa rin, mga loves, kung dadagdagan nyo yan. At yan, ibuhos mo na yung matcha kanina. Ewan ko kung ako lang, nai-inlove ako pag binubuhos yung coffee or matcha sa milk. Sobrang cute kasi tignan. Okay, that's all for today. Bye!